Hi, this is Nanda Dave, Director of the Mentors, serving corporate with behavioral change and managerial effectiveness training, assessments and profiling solutions, plus consulting in strategic HR areas. Welcome to my fifth podcast in the series on how to identify criteria for promotional potential assessment. You have been listening to the series on criteria for identifying promotional potential. So far, we have discussed 4 criteria. Number 1, focus on employees' track record of managing efficiencies. Number 2, look for track record of accountability against responsibility. You learned how accountability and responsibility are 2 different concepts. Number 3, review the teammates' inclination for adapting to change. Number 4, ability to remain focused in spite of outside provocations. Today we will learn the 5th criteria, that is ability to learn continuously, consistently. Let us understand through a story. We all have heard the story of a cap seller during our school time. This cap seller was going from village to village and earned his living. Once it was hot summer afternoon, the cap seller was really tired. He thought of resting under a shady tree. He kept his basket nearby and went off to sleep. The shady tree was a home for a number of monkeys, big, small, newborn, etc. When the cap seller woke up, he saw his basket empty. In panic, he looked around and above and he realized that the monkeys had picked up the caps from the basket and were wearing on their head. He was wearing a cap himself, so the monkeys imitated him. He thought the monkeys are good imitators, so what was an easy way of getting the caps back? He removed the cap from his head and threw it in the basket. The monkeys on the tree imitated him and threw the caps on the ground. The cap seller collected the same and went off home happily. He shared the story with his young son and how he solved the problem. Years passed by. Now he was old and could not walk long distance. His son handled selling caps. One hot afternoon, he felt the need to rest. He slept under the shady tree. By chance, it was the same shady tree where his father had encountered the problem with monkeys. He woke up from the sleep and realized that the basket was empty. He was not panicked. He knew exactly what to do. He removed the cap from his head and threw this into the basket. But to his surprise, none of the monkeys threw the caps they were wearing. In fact, one baby monkey was without the cap. He ran down like a blazer, picked up the cap and wore it. The young cap seller stood in complete astonishment and panic. The moral of the story? Just as Father Cap Seller shared the problem and solution with his son, the monkeys also did pass the learning to their children. End result? Yesterday's problems were different and needed different solution. Yesterday's solution cannot be applied to today's situation. Those who fail to learn fail to exist. Dear employers and fellow HR professionals, do you think this criteria can work as an objective and rational criteria? Thanks for your attention in the 5th and final episode of How to Identify Potentials for Promotion in an Employee. Hope you liked the 5 episodes and this added to your wisdom. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Please reach me on 98245 09399 or email at info@thementors mentors-trainers.com. You may visit us on www.thementors-trainers.com. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.